Hello and welcome to this Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on tagging people in your Instagram posts. First of all, open Instagram and go to make a post like normal. On this page, as you can see, below your photo there is an option to tag people. Select that option. Now just tap anywhere on the photo you would like to put a tag. Start to type their name and select their name when it appears. Now they are tagged. You can tap again to tag another person if you like, and to delete the tag just tap on the name and click on the X button. Now just publish your post and you are done. As you can see, when it is posted, if you click on the tag it will bring you to their profile page. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if it helped you and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tutorials.